Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to smooth video in Capcut for PC. And for example, I'm going to add this video, just think this rocking video, and you can see like this, the original video, and I'm going to smooth this video, how to just click video basic and you can find stabilize here and you can select, and then level you can select most stable, so like this, and I think is smoother than before. Okay, that's how to smooth video in CapCut for PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate and share.